We've always been interested in how to make best use of materials. Concrete is particularly interesting because it's a bit misunderstood in that most people's experience is of this grey, massive, cold, aggressive material. Our view is that that's a consequence of the process of making it. If you understand in detail how to make concrete, you can make it quite differently. Using textiles as formwork is quite counterintuitive because we're using a relatively flimsy material to deal with a heavy, quite harsh material. The fabric actually has a kind of intelligence. It responds to the pressures that it's dealing with rather than try to resist and hold everything. It means that we can shape structures and elements into much more efficient shapes, and in doing so we reduce the amount of concrete. We also reduce the amount of steel because the steel is more efficiently placed, and that is inherently sustainable. Our studies have shown that we think that we can save about 35% of the carbon emissions from the concrete, which is quite a big savings. It's not a universal panacea in that there will always be conditions where one would need to use rigid formwork to make certain things, but for a lot of standard components such as beams, walls, columns, etc., it's quite possible to find solutions for most of these.